Alright everybody, how you doing? Got a quick video for you here today. I ordered this a few weeks ago, came in the mail. Let's get this out of the way. And as we open it, I'll tell you more about it. You probably read it in the headline or the title by now, so it's no mystery. But buddy sent me a note. Hey Zippo Fanatic, thank you for your support. Stay safe and have a great day. Please leave positive feedback. Alright, so he wrapped it in that, wrapped it in this, wrapped her up. I'll save all this. Okay, so we'll get this out of the way. Alright, and here we have the initials. Looks like JF. Alright, so this is your patent 1950 Niagara Falls, Ontario bottom stamp. But the one thing you're going to notice, what tells me that this is a 55 to, sorry, not 55, I meant to say a 63 to a 67 is this 9 right away, right? This 9, if it was old, see how the 9, the bottom of the 9 goes a little longer than the circle? If this was a 51 to 54, it would be just sharper and not go as far. And there's other little things too all the way around with all the fonts that are a little bit different. And to get a more accurate year, oof, dusty in there. Oof. Oh, she's dirty in there. But she's still pretty clean. Like, that'll clean up like nothing, I know. It looks bad, but it's not as bad as it seems. Alright, so the insert right away is rubbed off, but you can see Niagara Falls, Ontario, and you can just make out that 1950 it'd say there, because it says patent on this side. See, patent. And then on this side it says 1950, and it's on one side written, this would be vertically instead of horizontally. The older ones were all done horizontally, so this can only be 63 to 67 is what this would be. The 1950 patent for this Zippo in Canada lasts 17 years, so that's why it started in 1950. The year ended 1967. But this is a pretty good zip. I got it for 40 bucks from Arthur there in Edmonton. Seemed reasonable. I didn't talk to him or anything, but 9 times out of 10 there's a flint lodged in there. So I'm going to have to drill that out, but I'll make a short on that. Flint wheel is spinning fine though. Everything's good. Hinge is a little loose, but that's to be expected of a 60-year-old Zippo. Pretty good shape though. Lid's got an overbite, things like that. Easy to fix. So let's take a look at the hinge. Yeah, a lot of worn out pieces there. See how this one's squared off a bit? Not a big deal. I'll probably will just send this to Zippo. But maybe I won't though, because I don't want them to replace the hinge. Look at the size of the pin. Look at the size of that pin in there. It's huge. Way bigger than the Zippo today. Might not want to screw with that. Probably won't actually. But that's one I picked up. Fair price. Niagara Falls, one I wanted. Still don't know yet what I'm going to do with it, but I'm going to do something. And I have another unboxing video coming for you tomorrow from Limp Wick. He sent me some extras too. Very nice guy. I haven't opened it yet. I'm going to be doing that live on camera, and I'll be posting that video tomorrow. And I'll be doing a live stream tonight too if anybody wants to stop in and hang out. So on to the next one, guys. Take care.